Hello, everyone. Welcome to English for Beginners. My name is Kate. I am your teacher today.
And I am Ben. I am learning English with Kate. I am happy to be here.
I am happy too, Ben. Today, we will learn many things. We will learn greetings, we will learn numbers, we will learn days of the week, we will learn about objects, food, drinks, and daily activities.
Wow, that is a lot, Kate.
Yes, but do not worry, we will go slowly. We will repeat everything. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great! Let's start with greetings. Greetings are very important. We use greetings every day. Ben, how do you say hello in the morning?
Good morning.
Perfect! Good morning. We say good morning in the morning. Let's say it together. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Now, what about the afternoon? In the afternoon, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Excellent. And in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
Very good, then. And before you sleep, before bed, we say good night.
Good night, Kate.
Good night, Ben. Now, let's practice. Everyone listening, please repeat after me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Wonderful. Now, Ben, when you meet someone, what do you say?
I say hello.
Yes, hello. Or you can say hi. Hi is more casual, more friendly.
Hi, Kate.
Hi, Ben. And when you leave, when you go away, you say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Or you can say bye. That is shorter.
Bye.
Perfect. Now let's move to numbers. Numbers are very useful. We use numbers every day. Let's count from 1 to 10. Listen carefully. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Excellent. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, Ben. Everyone at home, please count with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job!
Kate, can we learn the days of the week now?
Yes, good idea, Ben. There are 7 days in 1 week. 7 days. Let's learn them. The first day is Monday.
Monday,
The second day is Tuesday.
Tuesday,
The third day is Wednesday.
Wednesday. That is a difficult word.
Yes, Wednesday is tricky. Let's say it slowly. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday,
Good. The fourth day is Thursday.
Thursday,
The fifth day is Friday.
Friday. I like Friday.
Me too. Friday is nice. The sixth day is Saturday.
Saturday,
And the seventh day is Sunday.
Sunday.
Perfect. Let's say all the days together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wonderful. Everyone, please repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Good. What is your favorite day, Kate? My favorite day is Saturday. I like Saturday because I do not work. What about you, Ben?
I like Sunday. Sunday is relaxing.
That is nice. Now let's learn about objects. Objects are things around us. Then look at your desk. What do you see?
I see a pen.
Yes, a pen. We write with a pen. Pen.
Pen.
What else do you see?
I see a book.
Good, a book. We read a book.
Book.
What about a pencil? Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil.
Great, a pencil. Pencil.
Pencil.
Now what about a phone? Everyone has a phone.
Yes, I have a phone. This is my phone.
Good, phone. We use a phone every day.
Phone.
What about a cup? A cup for drinking.
Yes, I have a cup. Cup.
Excellent. And a table? You put things on a table.
Table. I have a table.
And a chair. You sit on a chair.
Chair. I am sitting on a chair now.
Perfect. Let's review these objects. Pen, book, pencil, phone, cup, table, chair.
Pen, book, pencil, phone, cup, table, chair.
Very good. Everyone repeat with us. Pen, book, pencil, phone, cup, table, chair. Excellent.
Kate, I am hungry. Can we learn about food?
Of course, food is important. Let's learn food words. What do you eat for breakfast, Ben?
I eat bread for breakfast.
Bread. Yes, bread is good. Bread.
Bread.
What else? Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I like eggs. Eggs.
Good. Eggs. What about fruit? Apple?
Yes, I eat an apple. Apple is healthy.
Very good. Apple. What about a banana?
Banana. I like bananas.
Great. Banana. Do you like rice?
Yes, I eat rice for lunch and dinner.
Rice is very popular. Rice.
Rice.
What about chicken? Chicken meat.
Yes, I eat chicken. Chicken.
Good. And vegetables? Do you eat vegetables?
Sometimes I eat vegetables.
Vegetables are healthy. What about fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Fish. Very good. Let's review food words. Bread, eggs, apple, banana, rice, chicken, vegetables, fish.
Bread, eggs, apple, banana, rice, chicken, vegetables, fish.
Excellent. Now, let's learn drinks. What do you drink, Ben?
I drink water every day.
Water. Yes, water is very important. Water.
Water.
What about coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. Coffee.
Me too. I love coffee. What about tea?
Sometimes I drink tea. Tea.
Good. Tea. What about milk?
Yes, milk. I drink milk.
Milk is healthy. And juice? Apple juice? Orange juice?
I like juice. Orange juice.
Juice. Very good. Let's review drinks. Water, coffee, tea, milk, juice.
Water, coffee, tea, milk, juice.
Perfect. Everyone, please repeat. Water, coffee, tea, milk, juice. Good job.
Now, can we learn about daily activities?
Yes. Daily activities are things we do every day. every day. Ben, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up in the morning.
Yes, wake up. You wake up. I wake up.
Wake up.
Then what do you do?
I eat breakfast.
Good. Eat breakfast. Eat.
Eat.
What about shower? Do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower. Shower.
Good. Take a shower. Then, do you go to work?
Yes, I go to work. Go to work.
Go to work. What do you do at work? Do you work on a computer?
Yes, I work on a computer. I also talk to people.
Good. Work, talk. These are activities. What do you do in the evening?
I go home. I eat dinner.
Good. Go home, eat dinner. What else?
I watch TV.
Watch TV. Yes, many people watch TV. Watch.
Watch.
Do you read books?
Sometimes I read. Read.
Read. Very good. And at night, what do you do?
I sleep.
Sleep. Yes, sleep is important. Sleep.
Sleep.
Let's review daily activities. Wake up, eat breakfast, take a shower, go to work, go home, eat dinner, watch TV, read, sleep.
Wake up. Eat breakfast. Take a shower. Go to work. Go home. Eat dinner. Watch TV. Read. Sleep.
Excellent work, Ben. Now, let's do a quick review of everything we learned today.
Yes, review is important.
First, greetings. What do we say in the morning?
Good morning.
In the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
In the evening?
Good evening.
Before bed?
Good night.
Perfect. Now, let's count. 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. Days of the week?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Wonderful. Some objects?
Pen, book, phone, cup, table.
Some food.
Bread, eggs, apple, banana, rice, chicken.
Some drinks.
Water, coffee, tea, milk, juice.
And some daily activities?
Wake up, eat, work, read, sleep.
Excellent, Ben. You did a great job today.
Thank you, Kate. This was fun.
Everyone listening, thank you for joining us. Please practice these words every day. Repeat them. Use them. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, practice every day.
Tomorrow, we will learn more English. We will learn colors, weather, and family members.
I am excited.
Me too. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Bye-bye.